Well, Bandhan Bank is clearly the stock of the hour, rallying after a solid fourth quarter performance. The lender's profit did jump nearly 70%. Asset quality and margins have also improved quarter on quarter. Here's the top boss of Bandhan Bank in conversation with my colleague Ishita Guha.
No, if you see that in the last financial year, my team have been worked very good, and the customer also responded very good on that. Because the last year there is a little bit turbulence is there because of NPA and default rate has increased, but in the last 2 quarters they have been worked very good. So that in the last quarter there is a profit has come the more than 60% quarter on quarter basis on that. So that helped us to year close as in 1,950 crores in the profit, which is the 45% year-on-year growth of the profit. That have been come very good. And next point is there because of this growth has come, and not only the growth of the advance, which is 38%, the advance growth has come. Also the NPA have been controlled, and it has been arrested on that. So that my on-time repayment rate to the customer, the single day, which day is the due, they are repay the installment 99.30% on that, which was the 1 year before 98.70%. So nearly 1% increase of the repayment rate and regular repayment in that day. It is a very world record on that. I feel that, and it can be helped on that to growth of the business and future profit of the bank. I got the very confidence on that team. They are capable to handle any amount of that.
Correct. So Bandhan Bank's focus is largely micro and rural banking, but we saw that in Q3 you made provisions for a large NBFC account, which was ILNFS, which you had later revealed. So what made you first go into that account and lend to that company? And secondly, if you could help us understand what is the status of those accounts? Are all assets, all accounts standard on your books?
No, if you see that the last quarter we are 100% that book are provisioned. So that we have not anything now. Whatever we are talking today, it is in clean of order.
Correct.
So we see that how the regulatory will be like to come, to complete the decision about the ILFS, and we will be like to track on that.
So, but my question is, given your focus is rural and microfinancing and banking, why did you lend to a company like ILNFS?
I hope that the many times I have given that reply, but I'm not like to talk today on that.
All right. Also, sir, you have brought down your stake to a 61% right now in terms of your merger acquisition of Gruh Finance, but you still have to, as per the RBI guidelines, bring it down to 40%. So what is your way ahead for that, and what is the timeline that you're looking at?
No, timeline isn't very it is in strategic, because the amount isn't big. So that the NFH is working on that. How the quick they can be like to do it on that.
Correct.
So then all of us has been one objective is there, how quick we can be like to compliance with the Reserve Bank of India.
All right. Also, sir, HDFC would have held 15% after this deal would have gone through, but right now they have only a permission for holding 9.9% in Gruh Finance. So what is your understanding of this? Have you had a dialogue with HDFC, and what kind of responses are you getting from HDFC side?
No, HDFC isn't accepted on that. They are working on this. Before merger, how it can become down 9.9% of that.
Okay. And also, sir, how much time will this entire process of merger with Gruh Finance take place?
No, if you see that the RBI, SEBI, and the CCI approval already has come on that. We are now waiting for NCLT. Whatever the time they have need on that. After their approval, then we are ready to merge immediate on that.
Which would take another 6 months, can I say that?
I cannot keep that timeline to the regulator, but they have some process and system. According to their timeline, we can be fit on that.